Okay, final score 60-100. Winner, Oryx Basketball Team. Okay, Pangliban. And of course, Jose is the best player and defensive player po ng ligang ito. Okay. Okay, wait. Interview. Okay, Senor Jose. Spanish also? Spanish?
No,
Fine, well.
just you. Corsi.
Huh?
Corsi.
Okay. Okay, Senor, okay. So, congratulations. Of course, Bisa Barangay po. Congratulations. I think with this win, you're cementing yourself down in the upper four now sa quarterfinals. But still, win sila, no? Now, what to expect na for Team Oryx? So, for sure, it's certainly, you're already in sa quarterfinals. What to expect now?
Thanks very much for everything. Thank you so much for all the organization and stuff. Thank you
Okay.
for being here. Like I know it takes a lot of effort. So our team, our let's say a strength point is our defense. Like we are getting better every match. Every match we are going to the coordination and to the rhythm. So let's see.
Okay, Pangliban,
Just hard work, defense.
yes, you have that same thing also you're gonna put in the but double, for sure, double the effort also in the quarterfinals. Okay. Then for sure, if you want to select your opponent, maybe who you want to play with in the quarterfinals.
No idea, but we just anticipate whoever it is.
Okay, you'll be ready. Siguro siya?
Cause I'm waiting for them.
Cast, ha?
Cause this is the message to them. Be ready. We are coming at you. We are gonna get you. Don't worry about it. You
Okay,
slip
I
one time,
think-
you're not gonna stick it.
I think that will happen now during the semifinals or the finals because it depends now. If you're number 2, number 1 is cast, you'll be separated. Somebody will know you'll play somebody in the semifinals. But you must win. It's a must-win situation from now on. Okay, so Jose,
Thanks very much. Thanks.
greet everybody you want. Hey, greet everybody, man.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thanks for watching and supporting. Make sure you
Okay.
share this video to all of your friends. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to not lose any of these videos and stuff. Thanks for
Okay,
watching.
Thank you. Sino Pangliban?
Thank you, Sir Martin. Tsaka,
lang naman.
kay Lord, syempre, number 1, wife. Daughter ko, Altair Aya.
Okay, yan po ang Team Oryx. Maraming salamat po.